The United Nations says a new report on climate change is a code red for humanity.
The report from more than 200 scientists says global warming is already accelerating sea level rise, shrinking ice, and worsening extremes like heat waves, droughts, floods, and storms.
They say the Earth's climate is getting so hot that the temperature limit set in the 2015 Paris Climate Agreement will be surpassed in about a decade.
Now, we've heard about climate change for years, so what makes this report significant and what can we do to help?
Well, I have the answers from a national expert and a co-author of this new report who says the effects of climate change are happening now, but the question is, how far will we let it go?
What I used to say to reporters, let's say 10 years ago, was climate change is serious, certain, and soon. Now, I say it's very serious, it's very certain, and it's now.
A problem existing this very moment in time. Linda Mearns, a national climate scientist, says the recent United Nations global warming report is sobering, but there are things we can and must do.
Just reducing the use of energy.
For example, switch to an electric vehicle, switch light bulbs to LED, drive less, and turn your thermostat up in the summer and down in the winter. The problem really comes down to the amount of carbon emission given off globally. Mearns says the U.S., as well as other countries, need to stick to agreements in producing less greenhouse gases. It's not hard to predict the future because it's already happening. Experts say the wildfires and major flooding are proof of it. And if nothing is done, it'll only get worse and could affect major systems like water irrigation and air conditioning.
If you can't have enough electricity to run air conditioning, then you can't adapt to heat stress, and heat stress kills people. All of these systems.
Mearns urges people to reach out to local lawmakers and encourage people of power to recognize the issue.